Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I got my beginning that I put a transition towards the end, and it comes out pretty good. But the problem with it is, Wondershare Filmora loves showing what's on track one more than a track two with the transition at times. And the way I can fix that is go into Magix and see what they do and how they do theirs, and then compare the two if I have that time. But getting ready to go on out before or after or when they pick up more people. We'll look out today at the wonderful morning, the moisture in the air, the birds flying, swimming in the water, and waiting for the sun behind the building or so to rise. Three feet is ideal for any type of vlogging, especially with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You don't have to yell to the camera, it picks up pretty neat. I have, I believe, voice enhancement on. There is background highway, parkway noise, and maybe some cars, and you may hear some of the birds honking, and that should be filtered out. I use pure video mode most of the time in the morning hours, and it's pure video mode. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is called Super Night, which sounds more entertaining. Super Night, right? Pure video mode sounds more like what the camera should have. Now, I use Super Night, and I haven't used pure video mode as daytime shots on the DJI product, and I call it Super Day. The reason I call Super Day because it does its job perfect. It takes away the lens flare, the trumpet flare. I'm not going to say all of it. It starts to diminish it. Oh, wow, man. I did the peace sign, held it up there. 5 seconds later, did it again. Next thing I know, my video stopped and I'm busy yapping. I didn't see the red light. Pure video mode, man. I should be calling it Pure Day. I wasn't good with that one. I could do it this one better. And I have to take some daytime shots in pure video. I like Insta360. I like DJI. And things are changing so fast at the end of 2025. And we don't know what to get, what to grab. Don't worry about other things. Just enjoy what you got at the time. And eventually down the road, you'll get what you want. And on that note, careful with the 5 fingers. I'm out of here. I am Fish. I am the Fish. And it's been a pleasure talking to you. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.